Okay, firmware version is 1.04. It's the latest. I just did a hard reset, so I disconnected from the battery, reconnected it. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so I can do selfie mode. Alright, so far it's working. Right. It's right here in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off. So far so good. Now I'm going to turn it on again. And it doesn't go back to position. Try to lock it. It unlocks, now it just does that. It doesn't lock back up. It doesn't go back to position. I'll try turning it off. Also, it's still awake. It's still connected. It's not really off. And the battery drains. Nothing. I have to do a hard reset. Okay, now it's doing some crazy shit. Okay, now it's upside down. Turn it off. Okay. Okay, I just reset it. So it's connected. Turn it on. Goes into position. It's working fine. Selfie mode. Motor can calibrate. So it works fine. It's just turn it on and turn it off. I have to reset it every time. Okay. So that's working fine. And now I turn it off. Okay. That worked fine. Turn it back on. Now I'm going to do a hard reset. Turn it on. Goes into position. I turn it off. It locks. Turn it back on. It doesn't do anything. Try to unlock it. It just does that. Try to balance it a little bit. Okay, it's balanced. Turn it off. Nothing. To reset it. It's on. I turn it on. Nothing. Turn it back off. Turn it back on. It doesn't go into position. And apparently it doesn't turn off either. I have to reset it. Hard reset. Okay, see that it's disconnected that time. Okay. So right now it's working. I turn it off. Okay, it locks. Oh, wait a second. But as you can see, it's not really off. It's actually still on. Turn it back on.